Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can increase the RAM or the virtual memory on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC and laptop. And so for that, let me just go to our settings, and we will be checking first how much RAM we have in our device. So first thing we need to do, go to settings, and then once you're in the settings, all you need to do is just to go to the left pane. You will see there the system option, so please click on system. And then once you're in the system, all you need to do is just to scroll down. You will see there at the very bottom part the about option, so please click on that. And then once you click on that, you will be able to see here the device specifications, and you can also copy this one if you are needing this. So we have here the processor installed RAM. So we have here the installed RAM, which is 8 gigabytes, and never mind or just neglect the and disregarded 7.35 GB usables, because this is the installed RAM in our device, the 8 GB or the 8 gigabytes. So we have now, or we already know now, the RAM, how much RAM that we have. So let me just close this one. So the next thing we need to do is to go to run window, and we can do that by simply pressing in the keyboard the Windows R key altogether, or you can just make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on the run options, and you will have the same window here. So we need to type sysdm.cpl. Again, it's sysdm.cpl. Now once you're already done typing it, just click on enter or OK, and then you will be able to see this kind of window. This is the system properties. So we have here the computer name, the hardware, advanced system protection, and remote. So please click on the third tab, which is the advanced, and then once you do that, you will be able to see the performance, user profiles, startup, and recovery section. So please go to performance, visual effects, processor, scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. Please click on settings, and once you do that, you will be able to see another kind of window. This is the performance option. So we have here visual effects, advanced data execution, and prevention. So please click on advanced, and once you do that, you will be able to see here two sections, the processor, scheduling, virtual memory. So for the virtual memory, please go to change button here. We have the change button here. This is a paging file, or a paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM. So please click on change, and once you do that, you will be able to see this virtual memory window. Here, all we need to do is just to select this custom size option. Once you select that, you will be able to input the initial size and maximum size. So the initial size as recommended by Microsoft is 1.5 times the, or multiplied to the RAM that you have, and the maximum size is 3 times, or should be 3 times, than the RAM that you have. So for the initial size, we can calculate that one. Let me just open the calculator. So click on the calculator to open it. So as I have said, we have 8 RAM, or 8 gigabytes RAM, and times, so 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 MB. So we will be putting here, or we will be multiplying 8 times 1024. And since the initial size of the minimum size should be 1.5, then we will multiply this one with 1.5. Now once done, you can now click on enter or equals. So this is 12,288. So we will put that in here, 12288, and then we have now the initial size or the maximum size. For the minimum size. For the maximum size, we will be doing the same thing, only that the 1.5 should be changed with 3, because the maximum size recommended by the Microsoft is 3 times the RAM. So here, let me just erase everything in the calculator, and in the calculator again, type or click on 8 times, again 3 times, because this is now the maximum, times 1024, and then click on enter, and we have here 24,576. So we will now type 24,576 Now once you have done this one, you can now click on OK, and it will now increase the virtual memory or the VRAM of your device. That will help you in the gaming performance, or it will help you to boost the gaming performance of your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so for that, this ends the video. So I hope you learned something from this, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.